Mississippi also. 8444 Buckeye, 445. Have a good week. 73s.
Okay, 445. You take it easy over there, Mississippi.
Well, let me clean your radio up. Let Grasshopper get that. Whoa. Let Grasshopper get that garbage out of your radio. Grasshopper, Detroit says, somebody else asked me what that recording was. They heard it last time they were on. The Lakes was coming in. I don't know.
Alright, Grasshopper. Hey, I believe that was Radio Man said that. Hey, Grasshopper, I believe Radio Man's the one that said that. 445. Back quiet.
There you go. You got a little lunch?
445, you just keep getting louder up here over 444 and listening.
What are you asking for?
Detroit. Grasshopper, Detroit.
I think the guy's getting pissed because some guy's running some sort of audio machine out.
I don't know. 4 1/4. Why is it they don't?
Can't hear it, man. Can't hear it.
Mercy. Who's wishing they could make it up 444? I heard you, just didn't catch your number.
You're fine now.
I'm doing all right now.
Roger.
All right, that's just about what I'm doing here. 200 swinging 2,000, actually.
Wow. I wish I had that kind of... Try that again. I'm moving back over into Arkansas. I'm moving back to Arkansas. I have way down the road there. Let's try it again. Daggone, it's noisy.
I guess 4 1/4 didn't catch that.
Well, I don't know about y'all, but 445 down here in Mississippi, with this little small station, we kind of get our name called out there. 445 Radio Man, Mississippi, we got down.
45, you getting down 658, let you know, 8445, 658, Virginia with the wave.
Hey, 658, been a long time since I heard you out there, big brother. Hey, 658, 445, waving at you.
You have a good one down there, man. I got a bunch of
Alright, 658, Virginia, 445. Hey, have a good one over there. Have a good week. 658, Virginia, 445. Back quiet.
That's all right, it must be radio man.
Ain't nothing but you when you get that down. 4 Oh yeah, you're cruising. I'm just cruising. I got her plugged right into 220. Let's go.
Who is that on 444? Bring it on.
Who's that? 4 1/4?
Oh, 444, bring it on.
200 swinging 18.